Hi there, it's Tim. I'm here with Melissa. We are in beautiful Tofino. We're going to take two e-bikes. These are the NCM Milano 48 volt, 13 amp hour e-bikes. We've just picked them up from Tofino Electric Bikes. If you like what we do today and you happen to be in Tofino, make sure you come here, rent those e-bikes from them. Then next, what we're going to do, we're going to see these types of views. We're going to go by the beach. Is there anything that you're looking forward to doing? Because we've done this once before. What are you looking forward to doing, Melissa?
I'm looking forward to having snacks this time.
Oh yeah, we're gonna go get snacks. Next up, we're gonna get snacks. Then we'll hit the trails, see some beaches, see some mountains, see some...
But seriously, riding the trails are beautiful here.
Yeah, the trails here are amazing. Yeah. Come with us and you'll see what we're talking about. So we're in Pacific Rim National Park now. The path has left the road. The road is behind us, so it's pretty close if a car goes by here. But it's treats time. I got toffee bark, smoked salt, and a chocolate chip cookie from Portofino. And what did you get, Melissa?
I got dill, roasted fava beans, dill pickle. Smell those.
And smart sweet fish.
Sweet fish. I haven't tried these before, but...
3 grams of sugar.
Well, we got it. I get migraines from sugar, so, you know, keeping it easy on the head.
Well, I think one of us is definitely going to enjoy our snacks. Alrighty, well, this is Long Beach, and this, you may not be able to see them, but there are loads of surfers out in the ocean waves trying to catch some waves. It gives me an opportunity right now to share my thoughts on the Milano 48 volt NCM. These are 26-inch tires, 500 watt motor, 48 volt battery with a 13 amp hour capacity. What do I like? Well, you know what? I do like the shocks. The shocks are good. The display, it's pretty basic, but you know what? It works. I like this handlebar stem adjustment because you can adjust the angle of attack, so to speak. I like the fact that this seat, although it's made of leather, it's kind of leathery material. It's not the most comfortable chair, but it's not the most comfortable, and it does even have a shock absorber on the bottom, which is, you would think, would add to the comfort, but it's not that comfortable. The shocks, though, really help, and you know, overall, I'm liking it, especially because it is Tofino. Having these great big mud guards with the extra little bit at the back, that's a really smart idea. And what I'm really liking is how efficient these are on the trails. As we're riding up and down these trails, it's no problems whatsoever. I don't have any kind of Yep, everything's working. I don't have the anxiety of riding around on an e-bike with a smaller battery. These tires are, you know, they're doing their job by just giving us great efficiency. Anywho, that's the NCM Milano 48 volt, and this is Long Beach in Tofino. One of the really cool things about this trail is it goes all the way from Tofino, which is behind me, all the way down to Ucluelet, And then for the most part, you can be on a trail like this, no cars, and it's about 50 kilometers, or what's that, about 35 miles, give or take. And yeah, 35 miles, which means if you're going to go there and back, you're going to be at best part of 70 miles or 100 and 110 kilometers, give or take. So pretty special, and you get to pull over and just take a look at all these wonderful beaches all the way along. Alrighty, Melissa, we just got back from renting e-bikes, flying around Tofino. What were your thoughts on the entire trip?
I really like the e-bike because it's nice and light and easy to handle for me. I love the part of the trail where we're actually in the federal park. It's just nice and covered by the trees, and it's such a nice ride in there. So it's a long ride though, so definitely pack snacks.
Snacks were integral.
Yeah, I think Tim will put on the screen how far we went, and we didn't even do the whole trail. So yeah, you just want to make sure you have water and snacks and take breaks along the way.
And 2 thumbs up?
Yeah, it's one of my favorite trails. It's really fun.
Melissa and I had an absolute blast. If you happen to be coming through Tofino, highly recommend the Tofino e-bike rentals. I'm gonna put a link down below so you can. Dave was terrific. He set everything up, made sure we're all charged up, made sure the seats were right size for Melissa, ensuring that everything was tickety-boo. So highly recommend it, and the views along this trail are second to none.